Hi guys, and welcome to my channel, Delicious and Lecker. Today we will make a delicious soup, vermicelli soup. It takes around 15 to 20 minutes. The ingredients: vermicelli 150 grams, minced meat 250 grams, butter 30 grams, tomato paste 125 grams, medium piece of onion, parsley, and salt. The preparation: first, put the butter in the pot. If you prefer, you can use sunflower oil. After the butter is melted, we add the chopped onion. Cook the onion in the butter until lightly colored. After that, we add the minced meat, stirring continuously until it's well cooked. Add the tomato paste and stir for about 2 minutes. Then add about 1.7 liters of hot water. Salt according to taste. After the water boils, add the vermicelli and let it boil for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add the washed and chopped parsley. We put the lid of the pot and leave it for 3 to 4 minutes. Bon appetit!